It's El Cherie. I am back again with another video. Right now, we are going to be taking out my crochet braids. I'm going to just take you through the process. I'll show you what products I'm using. I definitely plan on doing a cleanse before I shampoo, or not shampoo, but like cleanse with a sulfate-free shampoo. Definitely deep condition and trying to figure out some kind of style. I think we are going to go for a stretch style and maybe do some type of curl set in the next day or so once all this hair dries, right? So if you want to see how I restore my hair after about a month of protective styling, continue to watch this video. Now at this point, I'm going in to the braids that are in the back. The very bottom row were single crochet braids, and then the rest of the back portion were cornrowed in braids. So what I had to do was find the last braid that was weaved in through the other cornrows and take that loose, and really taking the rest of the back out was a breeze. Shouts out to Beauty Can Braid for that tip on how to take out your crochet braids when you have cornrows, when they're done in the cornrow style. Hope that makes sense. So here I'm basically done. I'm just detangling a bit. I went off camera and wet my hair so that I could apply the scalp scrub. This is Not Your Mother's Naturals Bamboo Activated Charcoal and Purple Moonstone. It's supposed to restore and reclaim your hair, which is what I'm here to do after all this protective styling. It has tiny beads in it. It feels like a pudding. It's very lightweight, and it actually feels so good, you guys, to scrub on your scalp. This is one of my new favorite things to actually like pre-cleanse my hair. Sometimes I'll do this and I won't do a poo, but if you really want to get like the beads off of your scalp, you really do have to do some kind of shampoo. It can be a sulfate-free one, but you have to do some kind of shampoo to get all the little beads out. I don't mind them all the time, but it can be a little itchy if you don't rinse out all the little exfoliating beads. It gives you a nice cleanse. It's non-stripping, but you definitely can tell that your hair is clean. So this is one of my new favorites. And so I'm just going through section by section, putting the scalp scrub onto my scalp, and it says to leave it on for like 1 to 2 minutes, and then you can rinse it out. So I definitely, put it on my scalp, massage it in, and leave it on for the allotted time before rinsing out. And I realize I'm showing several products here, so I'll try to remember to make sure and list them in the description box of this video. Okay, so I've applied the scalp scrub, and I'm about to go in with my Cream of Nature Argan Oil Moisturizing Shampoo and to deep condition, I'll be using the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Hair Mask. Later on, for my leave-in, I'll be using Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Leave-In Conditioner. This has been one of my staple leave-in conditioners for I don't know how many years, you guys. Occasionally, I'll divert to something else. But I always come back to this. Just showing you my wooden comb for detangling, and my Jamaican black castor oil to seal in the moisture once I'm done applying the leave-in conditioner. And again, I'm just gonna go through my hair section by section till each section has leave-in conditioner and has been sealed in with the oils. I used to do cold water rinses when I would wash and condition my hair. I no longer do that because I'm a low porosity gal, and we'll get into more of that later. I'm also applying Cream of Nature's Argan Oil Blowout Cream. Since I'm going to be doing a stretched out style, I figured I would use this free sample to see if it had any effect on the shine of my hair once I get it stretched out and dried. So I had to take a moment to look at how much definition I got in the back section of my hair. I don't know what happened with the front. I actually had to go in and like re-rinse my hair
but the back section was popping. I was like, what is going on here? Anyway, I just had to point that out to you guys. So of course, after this long takedown session and, just wash day routine in general, my camera decides to die. I lose my lighting. And so I couldn't catch everything, you guys. But basically, I tied my hair up with my satin bonnet after I finished applying leave-in conditioner and sealing and detangling. Stay tuned, though, for the next video to see how I stretch and style my hair. Thank you so much for watching.